adding media to a post or page in WordPress. This is required whenever you need to add a piece of media to a page or to a post. You start by clicking the Add Media. You would then go to your Insert Media library, choose the item or upload it from a folder. Select the item in the folder, click Open, once it has uploaded, ensure that it's set to full size, insert it into the post. This could often be too big and you might want to adjust it. Click on the media, it'll open up the toggle bars. You can then drag it slowly to make it smaller. There are several options. You can have it right aligned so that the text's on the right, or you could have it center aligned, or you could have it left aligned. Personally, I tend to keep it with the text wrapping around. You would then go and update it. This updates either your page or your post. You then would click to your live site. Scroll up to your title. Click on the title to refresh the site. Click on the Contact Me because that is the page that we just created. It'll take you to the page and you will see the newly created icon. Thank you for watching.